A very good morning to one and all present here. I am Akshay and I welcome you all on behalf of CCS NIAM. CCS National Institute of Agricultural Marketing Jaipur is a premier national level institute dealing with and to offer training, research, consultancy and education in the field of agricultural marketing. CCS NIAM under RKBY Rafta project has been given the opportunity and responsibility to start an agribusiness incubation center. So NIAM's Agribusiness Incubation Center is known as NIAM Agribusiness Incubator, which is currently profiling two programs simultaneously, that is Startup Agribusiness Incubation Program and Agripreneurship Orientation Program. Under one such program of AOP, that is Agripreneurship Orientation Program, second, we have had a startup which has, I would say, one of the most innovative startup that we have today with us, and the name is Presley Agro Power Pack, and the founder is Mr. Deepak Singh. Deepak's startup majorly deals with a powerhouse, a power bank, which basically is going to help farmers in the field of how to source up energy and to be able to run their mechanical instruments through on the field. So over to you, Deepak, and I welcome you on behalf of NIAM.
Good morning to you all. First of all, I thank you to NIAM for giving me motivation and training to convert my idea into a startup company. So, shall we start? Yeah.
Yes, please, Deepak. Yes, Deepak, you can start.
Yes, sir. So, background of this problem in recently we have seen in this lockdown, million of migrants walking on the highway to hundred of kilometer away their native place. There must be some reason enforce them to leave their native place and come to urban centers. This is onshore. The main reason is means of living. So this terrible situation I discussed of billion of migrants in lockdown amid the COVID-19. They migrate walking on the highway to hundred of kilometer away their native place. There must be some reason in for them to leave their native place. So this is onshore. The main reason is means of living. Actually, first let us discuss who are these migrants. So these are 10 crore population of the country and covers 80% of the Indian workforce. Generally came from the rural areas, mostly employed in informal centers. So one third of these population are working as a casual labor. Employment is the main reason to enforce them leaving their native place and come to urban centers. Mainly, if we find out what are the sources available at the rural area for earning their income. The main income source is agriculture. Second is handicraft. And third is traditional art and cultural activities. Now, reason affect livelihood in rural area. 70% of the population is depending on this agriculture activity. Marginal community have to work extra for sufficient earning because they cannot depend only agricultures because their profitability is very less. Only few customers are using handicraft items, so handicraft business is also very low source of income. People using electronic media nowadays, so for entertainment and art cultures, they are not looking for these rural items. Agriculture is day by day becoming non-profitable because land per person reduce after partition generation to generation due to use of urea and chemical pesticides. land are becoming barren, groundwater levels are low, and day by day it is decreasing. Other water source also getting dried. Low productivity and low profit margin in the agriculture field. Cattle or manual farmings are totally obsolete. High running cost of machinery is also because marginal farmers cannot use machinery due to their cost, purchasing cost and running cost. Now, effect of access to the electricity. Electricity have a significant impact on livelihood in rural area. Without electricity, no one can perform agriculture activity as well as any business activity related to it. So demand for electricity can help generation local economic activity. The meaning of power, the means of power for local industries. Electronic media also required to provide farmers weather forecast, and information technology is to be used to growers with providing information of crop prices. Now, let us see what is the condition of the power at the rural area. The power crisis. We are deficit in energy generation through grid power. Every ever increasing demand is going to worsen. Acute crisis in the form of scheduled and unscheduled power cut. All times one has to go without power for 16 to 18 hours in rural areas. Now, let us discuss what is the necessity of energy or power. We know all the stages of agriculture process need power. The implementation of precision farming, which is highly required nowadays because of small land, cannot be possible without power. Running business, development of infrastructure, transport, modernization of handicraft, and if somebody involved in cultural activity, nowadays they have to shoot and record the activity. And digital marketing is the one of the most emerging sectors. So need of new energy sources is there. No amount of production effort of electricity appears with the scenario. Power infrastructure is under development and distribution lines are still not reaching till the end of the street. It is difficult to do activity of farming without power and long duration of power cut. Now, the possible sources which can be available in the power generation at rural area, solar and wind area is now popularization. A hybrid regime of solar and grid energy is generally we can see now rural area. Biofuel is also emerging and some innovative farmers are using their cattle for producing energy. This is the some example we can see on the social media. Farmer have done some effort to generate power. In the upper pictures, we can see farmer is trying to produce electricity for its use through a ox. And below picture, we can see because the power is required at the farm level, remote area of the residential, he has made a movable type of solar system. So he can carry it along attaching by the tractor and produce power at the place where it is required. Proper solution should be there. So Presley Agro Power is providing proper solution for these farmer needs. This is a high power dense power pack system which is producing power which can be fulfill all the process of the agriculture. This is producing accurate amount, adequate amount of the power to complete the whole process. And this is it can be used in all weathering condition of outdoor situation in the agriculture applications. So we are trying to make this agro power system for all the application. So it provides energy for all the application related to the agriculture field. So this startup is motivated by my father. So generally idea is that to provide energy free of cost to the farmer and emerging the opportunity, other opportunity of the modern technology which can be helpful to achieve greater productivity. The problem we can see what is with the small farmers. Small farmers are facing the non-profitability in their agriculture income. Technology also, they are using conventional technology which is not feasible nowadays and current scenario. Energy, mostly energy source are diesel powered drives which is very costly, and running by a diesel, it is required to purchase a diesel on high cost. The solution is at the farmer level, we have to provide adequate energy. So energy rich farmer will enjoy the better lifestyle. Technology, after producing good amount of the energy, we have to provide them the technology also, which we can use to use this equipment with low cost and low power consumption. So lifestyle is also very grow up with using the adequate amount of the energy. Development in clean energy technology, electrical drives have entered in the arena of agriculture machinery. Most of companies are producing their electric tractors, and few of them already launched. Intelligent controlling system which is making reduced power consumption and other self machining is now under the process of changing their drive from diesel to electric drives. Now what we are doing in the Presley Agro Power Pack, we are providing a high dense energy source which can be rechargeable by any renewable energy or any type of energy which can be produced at the home by the farmer itself. See, these are the machinery which we are using in the agriculture platform from starting at the stage of land preparation to harvesting. We have also checked that all machinery are covered in the range of our battery pack system, which is of 5.5 kilowatt. So all drives are compatible to use all the process of the agriculture field. for marginal farmer. Here we can see the comparison. What will be the benefit of using this type of system in agriculture field? See, in this table, there is a three section. First section is a machine which is run on the diesel drive. Second, the machine which is run on the electric drive, but power source is grid. And third one is the power source is renewable energy or any energy source which is produced by the farmer himself. So in the 5 years scenario, we can see in the comparison of the diesel consumption and cost, the electric source, electric drive will be saved, which is using grid power around 2,38,000 in a 5 years, which is more than the cost which is initially bear by the farmer. And at the electric with renewable sources, we can see the farmer can save 7,92,000 in 5 years. This scenario shows the use of electric power drives are very, very useful in the sector of the agriculture. Now, what is the unique value of Presley Agro Power Pack? We are providing all weathering condition enclosure, which can be used, which can be suitable for all the weathering condition. So, see in this. So in this picture, you can see this enclosure is made by a composite material structure. So all heating which is produced in the battery cell will be absorbed by the wall of the structure, and also outside heating and radiation due to sunlight is also cannot be passed through this panel of the structure. And we also provided a cooling system in between of the cells also. So here this cooling system at the cell level will not allow to generate heating inside of the battery system, battery cells. We have conducted so many experiments to reach out, and this is our around 2-year hard work. So we able to achieve. Now, what are more benefits we are providing to the farmer? It is the opportunity where farmer can use IoT system, which is connected with this battery pack system, agro power pack system. We will provide an application on which farmer can see what is the level of the charge and how much power is remaining inside of the battery system. So accordingly, he can use the system. He also having facility to start and shut off from remote area. Second thing, not only this is attached with the IoT system, we are providing portable and modular system which can be allowed to perform small to big applications. If some operation needed 1 kilowatt to 2 kilowatt, then farmer can take out a 1 kilowatt or 2 kilowatt system out of this Presley power pack and attach with the equipment to run, to perform the activities. Third thing also, with providing this lot of energy, farmer can use this energy for cottage industry also. So he can start a small food processing or other activities which is consuming energy. So this energy is he is gaining at the very low cost. During the training at NIAM, I have conducted market survey around the villages of the Jaipur area and found very good feedback from the from the farmers. All farmers, around 90% farmers are agree to replace their diesel drives with electrical power pack and electric drive system. So here some pictures where we have conducted our survey, and here we can see the farmers are filling their answer in a form. Those who are not able to fill, I have write on behalf of them. Basically, our company has a long experience, long journey of working in the technological area. Earlier, I have 16 years of experience in working in the energy sector at different locations. Even we have developed so many energy producing machine, a diesel generator which is directly produce DC power to use for battery charging system. This is our vision, mission, and values. Award and recognitions. So we have achieved 2 patents and published in a national journal regarding, one is our enclosure system, which is weatherproof, and second is our controller. This controller has facility to connect with the attachment of vehicle collision detection system. This is our team. So, Dr. Neelu Singh, myself, and Neeraj Singh, which are directing of the company, and other 25 more members has been associated till now, and more people are joining company in near future. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Deepak. I think it was a very good presentation. Kindly share your contact details as well, if possible, on the chat box. If not, on the presentation is available. If your contact details are available. Perfect. Thanks. Okay, so keep this on. Keep this PPT on. Now I expect all the participants, if they have any questions or query related to the presentation just made by Deepak. So if you can shoot out your queries, questions, if there are any suggestions, or maybe any business alliances if you have with Deepak, you can really connect to him on the given details. Deepak, one thing I think I would like to ask, am I audible clearly?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So Deepak, I think I'm just wanted to ask about the current scenario of the contemporary world. I would like to consult on how are you handling with the COVID situation as far as Presley Agropack is concerned, as in, so for the production or maybe marketing, or how have you been hindered by it? कहीं पे आपको problem आई है अभी business को आगे extend करने में, या So because COVID की वजह से आपको क्या-क्या situations face करनी पड़ रही है आज?
Sir, we are at the stage of developing our product,
Okay.
and we have keep on more research to make this product more useful for the farmer and increase the productivity.
Okay.
So in this lockdown duration, we have developed controller.
Oh, that's great.
So that will be based on IoT system, and it will be a part of our product near future.
Oh, then I would say that COVID situation gave you some time for your research and study. I think R&D के लिए आपको थोड़ा समय मिल गया.
Yes, sir.
Good, very good. Any participant, if there is a question or query, someone says, as per uh, for your patent, Deepak, I would like to consult, was there any opposition to your patent when you filed it? Is there any other technology which is contradicting to what you had? Any competitions, any competitors you have in the market for your product?
Sir, most of battery system which is available in the market are made by either metallic construction or plastic construction. We are making this by the composite material which is made by the fiber, natural fiber.
Okay.
So this is not available. This is a new research, sir.
Perfect. I think considering the sustainability aspect कि हम आजकल we are going ecosystem friendly and environment friendly हम लोग जाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. I think your product will be very well suited in the market today. So you have a question, Deepak, which says, would you please suggest research area in agricultural sector? I think this is not relevant. Impact. Okay, one there is important question which says आपकी machinery का impact क्या होगा on the income of farmers?
Sir, I have shown a slide in which I have compared with current application and our electrical application. First thing is that if you want to run a machine, say a tractor, for an hour, so it will consume more than 1 liter diesel. And
Okay.
if you use Presley Agro Power Pack, there will be no cost because you have recharged this this agro power pack with renewable energy source, or otherwise if you have recharged by the grid power, so maximum cost is the 30-35 rupees.
Okay. I think that is very good impact for the farmers, and I think it will be very beneficial for them to use it. Okay, one more question is there. Is it feasible to replace farmers' existing machinery with power bank? How will it happen? Please elaborate. अभी
Sir,
जो मशीनरी वो लोग यूज कर रहे हैं वो रिप्लेस कर पाएंगे क्या आपकी मशीन के साथ, दीपक?
sir, this is similar that people are replacing their engine in the car. They are providing electric motors in place of a engine. So similar thing, we can provide a drive which will be replace the diesel engine, and it is very compact and lightweight. So it will produce more power than the diesel engine power, because IC engine have maximum efficiency of 40%, and our Presley Power Pack is providing efficiency of 90%. So it will be more effective and compact system, and we can replace diesel engine in any machinery.
Okay, I think that is good that you have a strong, you'll have strong hold on the market once you are launched. You have 2-3 more questions, Deepak. One says, what is the cost of the machinery?
Yes, sir. If see that slide, I will show you. in this slide, we can see if we buy a new diesel engine, which is more than the cost of 1 lakh,
Yes.
it is around 1,28,000. Similar capacity electrical drive engine or electrical drive machine, it around cost of 85,000.
That's
Sir,
a clear-cut difference between both the types, right? Good.
because diesel engines are having more than 3,000 parts, and these electric motors are maximum 250 to 300 parts.
Oh, so
So
then
it
I
is
think
lighter as well as good structured machine.
very well said, Deepak. So one more question pertains to कि आपके power bank has limited capacity of 1 to 2 hours, and then how will you run big machinery like tractors?
Sir, we have, if we have a big machine like tractor or trailer, so it one charge can perform work up to 1 hour. But if we use small machinery like 2 kilowatt capacity machine, that can be run for 3 hour, 4 hour continuously. And in tractor, at present tractor with diesel also, farmer has to fill the tank after every hour, after every 2-3 hours. So if we can make another system on the charge and one system on the use on the application. So when the machinery will be run, second battery power pack will be charged at that time. In 1 hour, it will be get charged 80%.
Very good, Deepak. One more question is that which electric motor and controllers are used and by which power source the battery pack is charged? I mean solar or grid. So there are two questions involved. एक तो पूछ रहा है आपसे कि इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर और कंट्रोलर्स कौन से वाले यूज होते हैं और दूसरा कि आपका पावर सोर्स क्या आएगा बैटरी पैक का कोई सोलर है ग्रिड है कैसा रहेगा
एनी पावर सोर्स वी कैन यूज हम ग्रिड से भी इसको चार्ज कर सकते हैं हम इसको रिन्यूएबल सोर्स है कोई अगर किसी ने सोलर पंप लगा रखा है ज्यादातर अभी गवर्नमेंट की स्कीम के अनुसार 27 लाख सोलर पंप हमको 2022 तक लगाने हैं तो 27 लाख बहुत बड़ा अमाउंट है बहुत बड़ा नंबर है तो हर लगभग आज भी हम देखेंगे तो हर गांव में आपको 1-2 सोलर सिस्टम मिल जाएंगे तो सोलर से ये चार्ज हो सकता है आपके घर में अगर 4 घंटे 6 घंटे के लिए बिजली आ रही है रूरल एरिया के अंदर तब आप इसको चार्ज कर सकते हैं और इसके अलावा नए सोर्सेस एनर्जी सोर्सेस आ रहे हैं जैसे मैंने अपनी स्लाइड में दिखाया था कि लोग प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं कैटल पावर से तो
जी
जब जरूरत आएगी तो लोग एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस कर लेंगे और गांव में एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस करने के बहुत सारे सोर्सेस हैं
पॉइंट दीपक पॉइंट तो मैं वही बता रहा था कि सस्टेनेबिलिटी और एनवायरमेंट फ्रेंडली का अच्छा कॉम्बिनेशन रहेगा अगर आगे चीजें स्वीकृत होती है जैसा आप चाहते हैं एक और क्वेश्चन है दीपक अगला जो है वो रिलेटेड है आपके टारगेट कस्टमर से एंड इट सेज दैट आपकी मशीनरी अगर लॉन्च हो गई है तो क्या लॉन्च हो गई है और अगर नहीं तो फिर कब तक लॉन्च होगी और आपके मेजरली टारगेटेड कस्टमर्स क्या रहेंगे
जी अभी इसमें सेफ्टी कंप्लायंस है गवर्नमेंट से हमको वो कंप्लायंस पूरा कराना है उस स्टेज पर अभी हम चल रहे हैं लॉकडाउन के बाद में अभी ये 2 महीने डिले हो गया था लेकिन अभी जल्दी से इसको हम अप्रूव कराएंगे कंप्लायंस कराएंगे गवर्नमेंट लैब में टेस्ट करा के वहाँ से सर्टिफिकेट लेके तभी हम इसको लॉन्च कर पाएंगे सेफ्टी की रिक्वायरमेंट है अब सेकंड थिंग ये जो टारगेट कस्टमर हैं सबसे पहले तो हमारे टारगेट कस्टमर वो हैं जिनके पास में सोलर पंप लगे हुए हैं इनकी हर साल जैसे अब मैं बात करूं जयपुर एरिया के अंदर राजस्थान में हर साल 1,000 फार्मर की लिस्ट जो है जिनको सोलर ग्रांट मिली है वो रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी वालों के पास में अवेलेबल है, तो वो हमारे कस्टमर हैं। दूसरे जो पिछले 2-3 साल में जिनको ये बेनिफिट मिल चुका है उनको हम टच कर रहे हैं। इसके अलावा जो आसपास के एरिया हैं, गांव के आसपास के एरिया कस्बे हैं, तो वहां पर भी जो छोटे छोटे बिजनेस चलाने के लिए उनको इस तरह के सिस्टम की जरूरत पड़ती है। ये बहुत ज्यादा पॉपुलर सिस्टम है कोई भी वर्कशॉप चलाने के लिए, तो वहां पर भी ये यूज होंगे।
वेरी वेल सेड दीपक, सही बात है। दीपक चलो एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन ले लेते हैं विच सेज दैट मोटर एंड कंट्रोलर इजंट आंसर्ड। क्वेश्चन है आई थिंक विच इज रिलेटेड टू योर मोटर एंड कंट्रोलर।
जी,
Which electric motor and controllers are used?
तो सर या
हाँ जी,
कुछ कहना है सर?
हाँ जी, मैं ये पूछ रहा था कि इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर और कंट्रोलर कौन से यूज होते हैं, ये फिर से क्वेश्चन आया है।
जी, मोटर और कंट्रोलर में जो मोटर है वो ज्यादातर BLDC मोटर यूज होती है। हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि हम इसमें DC ड्राइव मोटर यूज करें जिससे लॉसेस काफी कम हो, उनको ज्यादा से ज्यादा पावर मिल पाए। हालांकि BLDC भी बहुत ज्यादा अच्छी परफॉर्मेंस शो करती है। इसके अलावा जो कंट्रोलर है वो कंट्रोलर बेसिकली बैटरी मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम का अलग कंट्रोलर होता है और मशीन मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम का अलग कंट्रोलर होता है। मेन कंट्रोलर जो मशीन कंट्रोल सिस्टम का होता है जिसके अंदर पूरा चार्जिंग सेटअप कवर होता है, आपकी बैटरी की चार्जिंग के करंट वोल्टेज क्या होने चाहिए और कब अपने आप चार्ज होना है कब नहीं होना है, ये सारी चीजें उस पर डिपेंड करती है। और बैटरी मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम क्या करता है कि आपका जो बैटरी को इसके अंदर जो हाई डेंस बैटरी लगी हुई है उसके अंदर ये बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है कि हर सेल इक्वली चार्ज अप हो। इसलिए उसको इक्वली चार्ज अप करने के लिए एक बैलेंस चार्जिंग के लिए एक बैटरी मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम अलग से लगा है।
ठीक है दीपक, वेरी गुड। सो आई थिंक हमारे मेजरली सारे क्वेश्चंस आंसर हो चुके हैं। एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन जाते जाते मेरा रहेगा दीपक, इट्स रिलेटेड टू द कंप्लायंस। जो आपने कहा कि आपको
जी,
गवर्नमेंट से कौन से एक्रेडिटेशन की जरूरत है, जैसे आपने कहा कि अभी ड्यू है कोविड की वजह से। सो मैं जस्ट जानना चाहूंगा कि अभी कौन से सर्टिफिकेशन या ऑथेंटिकेशन की आपको जरूरत है जिसके लिए आपने अप्लाई किया, वो मतलब प्रोसेस क्या है, अभी क्या चल रहा है?
जी, इसका सेफ्टी कॉम्प्लायंस है। जब भी
जी,
हम कोई बैटरी सिस्टम बनाते हैं तो उसका सेफ्टी चेक होता है, क्योंकि ये हाई एनर्जी बैटरी सिस्टम होते हैं। अगर इसमें मान लीजिए किसी ने लापरवाही की तो तुरंत एक हजार्ड हो सकता है, ब्लास्ट हो सकता है। इसलिए इसकी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में बहुत सारी चीजों को ध्यान में रखा जाता है जिससे इस तरह की सिचुएशन ना क्रिएट हो, उसका इन्वायरमेंट इस तरह का कि वो सेफ ऑपरेशन हो सके। और यही हमारा USP भी है एक तरह से। तो गवर्नमेंट ये चेक करती है उसको हर तरीके से डिस्ट्रक्टिव टेस्ट करके उसको ले जाके टेम्परेचर राइज करके कि ये कहीं ऐसा तो नहीं है कि डैमेज होकर किसी को हजार्ड पहुंचाए, किसी को नुकसान करे।
दीपक,
ये
मैं
कंप्लीट।
अथॉरिटी का नाम जानना चाहूंगा, कौन सी गवर्नमेंट अथॉरिटी में आपने सर्टिफिकेशन के लिए अप्लाई किया है?
जी, आईकेट है गुड़गांव के
ठीक है।
अंदर, और भी गवर्नमेंट से रिकॉग्नाइज कई एजेंसीज हैं जो कराती
ओके
हैं।
जी, चलिए, थैंक यू सो मच दीपक फॉर आंसरिंग ऑल द क्वेश्चंस, दैट टू इन अ वेरी गुड स्पिरिट। So I think we are done with all the questions and queries. Any suggestions, if any, you can drop. Deepak ने अपनी contact details आपकी presentation में share की है, so all the participants can connect after the presentation, or maybe anyhow if there is any suggestion, or आप business alliance भी करना चाहते हैं दीपक के साथ तो. So here we come to the end of the session and the webinar. I thank Deepak for this very lucrative presentation, and I hope that Presley goes further and come into this sustainability and ecosystem wherein we require such startups which can literally lift up the farmers and help them in uh, fulfilling their dreams. And I thank all the participants for actively taking part in this presentation and asking relevant questions. So I wish you all a very nice day, and thank you so much. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Or you can disconnect now. Kindly leave the meeting room. Thank you so much.